So checking out LDI here for 2023. This is one of the booths. This is Pro. So they are a very well-known brand in the stage business. So look at the content they have playing up there. Look at how high res it is. Looks fantastic. Yeah.
Mhm. Well,
Now you understand, RV, why I'm always talking about black contrast, vibrant color front.
yeah, it's
Okay?
better.
It's way better. So when people put stuff up that's way too bright, but they don't understand the usage, right? You can see how they're doing it this way. You see there's a dark backdrop, and then there's light, vibrant contrast, vibrant color in the foreground. And notice that's the theme that keeps showing up, right?
Yeah,
Because if you don't do it this way, it just doesn't look any good. Okay? Like if it was just a stark white, you'd be like, oh, that's so bright. So you need to make the content so that it matches. Okay?
yeah,
Look at this. Isn't this cool? Right?
yeah,
Okay? So now you understand why I'm always pushing this kind of content, right? Yeah. Oh, hey, actually, speaking of which, let's go take a look at this one again. So we're already in. Go check this out again. Because they're showing off very tight pixel pitch. They're 2.5, 2.6, 2.6. Okay? And they're showing off here what it looks like for actual setup and staging. But even looks, notice that, they're using a dark backdrop. And now look at this. Vibrant color, dark backdrop. Vibrant color, dark backdrop. Look at this. What is this? This is just a visual effect by making a border on the content.
Mhm.
That is not actually holographic. They're making, see that? You lost
Yeah,
the box there. The box disappeared. That is all effective browsing. Okay? But now you understand why they're doing that dark backdrop always. It's to give you the contrast. Okay?
yep,
Notice this again. Even though it's bright, dark backdrop. You see the theme?